Hello everyone, welcome back from Math by Chang channel. So today we're gonna do some exercises about inequality, mainly linear inequality, which means that we have to solve the value of x power 1. And in the previous video, we have learned about the real numbers, intervals, and also properties of inequality. So if you haven't watched about it yet, you can go and check my YouTube channel. So, okay, let's solve number 1. Solve the inequality 2x plus 7 greater than 3. So, we want to solve the value of x. So, firstly, I will subtract 7 to both sides, so that the value of x will remain. So, minus 7. So this two will cancel out, and here 2x greater than 3 minus 4, you will get here minus 4. So we want the value of x, so we have to divide 2 on both sides. So you will get here 2 greater than equal minus 2. All right, so the value of x is all the values greater than minus 2. Okay, we will represent it in a number line. Sorry. Okay, here is minus 2. All right, so the value of x exists start from minus 2, but minus 2 does not include because there is no equal sign include. So the value of x is all the values greater than minus 2. So we have to shake at the right side. All right, so this is the graph of x greater than minus 2. So how about notation? Okay, so notation will be minus 2. We use the round bracket because the value of minus 2 does not include. Comma, we define all the values greater than x as infinity, plus infinity. Plus infinity is all the values greater than minus 2. So infinity and round brackets. How about set description? The set of x such that x greater than minus 2. So here is the set description, notation, and this is the graph. Okay, let's go to number 2. All right, so number 2 is 1 minus x less than equal to. All right, so we have to find the value of x first. So at the front of x, there is 1. So we have to get rid of this one first. So 1 minus x, we have to subtract minus 1 both sides. Minus 1 less than equal to minus 1. So these 2 plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out, and there will be minus x remain. Less than equal to minus 1, you will get 1. But what we want is x, not minus x. So here you can use two methods. The first is you can multiply with minus 1, or you can divide with minus 1. You can use as any method you like. But for me, I will just multiply with minus 1. Minus x into minus 1. And also the right side, 1 into minus 1. All right, so let's consider about multiplication properties of inequality that we have learned at the previous video. So when you multiply the both side of the inequality with minus value, you have to change the sign. Okay, here is less than equal, so you have to change greater than equal. So minus into minus, you will get plus. So here you will get x greater than equal. 1 into minus 1, you will get minus 1. All right, so let's draw the graph here. Okay, here is minus 1. So the value of x exists will equal to here. We have equal sign. So greater than equal. So it can equal with minus 1 and also all the values greater than minus 1. So you can check here. like this, and all the values greater than -1. So you have to shade at the left side of the number lines here. All right, so that's it. And for the notation, you have to use it's -1 to plus infinity. As there is equal sign, you have to use square bracket here. For infinity, you always use round bracket. All right, so this is the notation. And for the set description, the set of x such that x greater than equal -1. Okay, so that's it. So let's go to the next one. All right, this is number 3. The question is 2x plus 1 less than 5x minus 8. All right, so there is so many ways you can solve. So firstly, there is x on both sides. So to be easy, we will get rid x any way you like. Maybe the left side or right side. But to be easy, I will get rid of 5x on the right side. So I will 2x. I will subtract 5x on both sides. So minus 5x less than 5x minus 8 minus 5x. Okay, it will be like that. So plus 5x and minus 5x, these two will cancel out. So 2x minus 5x, you will get minus 3x plus 1 less than equal here, it will remain minus 8. Okay, so here we will get rid of plus 1 again. So we have to subtract minus 1. 3x, okay, plus 1, you have to subtract 1 on both sides, less than minus 8 minus 1. These two will cancel out. So what will remain here? Minus 3x less than minus 8 minus 1 equal minus 9 will remain. So we want the value of x. So you have to, here, you have to divide minus 3 to both sides. All right, according to the division property of inequality, when you divide with minus values to both sides, you have to change your sign. So here you will get x less than will change to greater than minus 3, minus 9 over minus 3, you will get 3x greater than 3. All right, so this is the solution for x, which means that x, the value of x is all the values greater than 3, but not include 3. Okay, let's describe in a number line here. Here is 3. Okay, sorry, this is not minus 3, actually, this is 3. Here, okay, so the value of x is all the numbers greater than 3. So you have to shake the right side, but not include 3. So how about notation? 3, 2, all the values greater than 3. So we have to use infinity, but not include 3. There is no equal sign here. So you have to use the round bracket and also here the round bracket too. How about set description? The set of x such that x greater than 3. All right, so this is the solutions for this problem. Okay, let's go to the next problem. All right, so this problem is also very easy. Minus 5 less than equal 3 minus 2x less than equal 9. All right, so this is like here. So we want to find the value of x. So at the front of x, there is plus 3. So we have to get rid of this first. So I will subtract 3 on those, on almost all these 3. So minus 5 minus 3 less than equal 3 minus 2x minus 3 less than equal 9 minus 3. Okay, here is like that. So these two will cancel out, and here will make minus 2x less than equal minus 8 minus 3. You will get minus 8. Sorry, minus 5 minus 3, you will get minus 8. Here, 9 minus 3, you will get 6 here. All right, so we have to divide all these with -2. So when you divide with here -2, you will get 4, right? And when you divide with -2, it will cancel out and x will left. And when you divide with -2, you will get 3, right? According to the division property, when you divide with negative values, you have to change the sign. So less than equal will change to greater than, equal, greater than, equal. Oh, sorry, when you divide here with -2, you will get here -3, right? Because it will like this, -6/2. So -3. All right, so you can also write this. X is -3, right? Here is like x is greater than equal -3 and less than equal 4. So this is the solution. Okay, let's describe in a number line. Okay, I will draw 2 separate lines here in order to clearly see. Okay, this one will be -3. This one will be 4, right? And here will be, I will combine these two. All right, the value of x is less than equal or greater than equal -3, right? As there is equal sign, I have to shade here. So it's less than, so you have to shade all of this. But for this part, x less than equal 4. So equal sign here. So less than means the left side. You have to shade the left side. So the value of x is within -3 to 4. If you want to combine this to here, here, and the value of x is within -3 to 4, +4. Okay, so here will be the solution of this problem, the graph of the problem. So how about notation? The value of x is between -3, 4, and there is equal sign. It means that the value of x can equal to -3. So you have to use the square bracket. And also it will equal with 4. So you have to use square bracket here. Okay, so that's it. If you want to write set, okay, I will write here the set of x such that the -3, the value of x is between -3 and 4. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you all will get these linear inequality problems. In the next video, we will solve the quadratic inequality and also cubit. So I hope you guys will get this. So thank you and see you in the next video. If there is any question, you can ask at the comment box. So thank you.